to my channel. This is the first time that I'm doing this kind of video. I am so excited. Today we're doing a bedroom makeover. I've been working on this. I've been on IKEA every night. I've been looking around. I've been on Instagram ads. I've been on Facebook Marketplace. I've been everywhere. But I have finally finished my bedroom today. So I am so excited to be sharing with you guys the process and everything. If you want to see the shopping part of this bedroom makeover, then head over to the link down below. I have my last vlog where I went to IKEA and I shopped for all the accessories. Let's get right into it. So the first thing I had to do is to kind of know what color palette I wanted to go with, and obviously I had to go with the wood floors that I have. There are a little bit of a yellowish color wood, also the grayish blue wall that I have as an accent wall in the bedroom. So these two things were absolutely taken into consideration, and knowing me, I'm not like someone who likes crazy colors in my interiors. So the color palette that I went with is this one. Obviously it has blues, it has grays, it also has yellows, and I feel like the yellow is what will bring up the color of the wall. And also you always want an accent color in your decor so that it's something that will pop to the eye but also be complementary to the colors that you already have as a base. So the first thing that I did obviously is get a bed. So I went on everywhere on the net. I found Ardinia.com, which is a company that imports furniture from all over Europe, I think, or maybe it's just Spain and Italy or something like that. And I found a really great deal for the bed and also for the nightstands. And the nightstands were not actually made for the bed, but I found them on the website, but they both have the same color wood and they have the same color finish. The mattress that I bought is from IKEA, obviously. It is a very simple mattress and it's not too expensive. So the first thing that I did is obviously put the lights, the LED lights on. It's something that I wanted ever since I've seen it on Instagram and on TikTok, so I definitely wanted that for my bedroom. Alright, so I'm literally behind my bed, but I have the lights here. I'm gonna have to vacuum behind here because it's dusty as fuck. So these lights come with adhesive behind them, but I don't want to stick them to my bed. First of all, it's a beautiful new bed, and also it's a very soft finish, and I don't want to have the lights behind them and just maybe when I pull it off, maybe it's gonna take off the finish on them. So I have my tape with me and I'm going to...
Standing in the bathroom midnight, baby, we were so messed up. She said, well, you can be mine, I wouldn't mind being yours, I wouldn't take up your time.
Okay, the remote is really, sorry for the lighting, but the remote is really hard to use, so I'm like pressing it. So if I'm gonna link them, if you're gonna buy them, just make sure that you have the patience to deal with this. But I put it in red because I want to keep it in red, and I'm gonna have the curtains all the way down and we'll see what it looks like. Then it was time to decorate the bed. So these are the accessories I am using for my bed to decorate both the nightstands and the bed. So I'm gonna start with the duvet cover. It's a super thin, very nice, soft linen, and it comes with 2 pillow covers that I'm gonna use on the 2 pillows that I already have. So I'm gonna put this over here.
Well, I've been taking things that I don't want to take, slamming other doors and feelings breaking me down. The feeling never lasts, I need to satiate the feeling that I had before you tried before you.
Now for the decorative pillows, I have these 2 60 by 60 pillows for these 50 by 50 pillow covers. Can't even see it with the wall because it matches so perfectly, but these are just bluish gray pillow covers that I absolutely love, and they match the wall perfectly. I'm super excited about it. So usually you want your pillows to be just a tiny bit bigger than the pillow cover so that it's like more fluffy and it just takes up all the space. therefore it's not like you won't have fabric hanging around onto the pillows. Now that we're done with the bed, for accessories we're gonna go ahead and put this yellow-ish bouquet. These are dried flowers that I got from Flower Lab that I'm gonna link their Instagram down below if you wanna check it out. They have absolutely beautiful dried flowers and vases as well. So I have 2 bouquets on here, and I have 2 vases that I got from IKEA. Oh my god, this is so fluffy. I don't know if you can tell because the background is super light, but you're gonna be able to see it with the back of my bedroom. But we're gonna see if we need to cut anything. This is gorgeous, guys. Look. Oh, you can tell now.
Well, I've been taking things that I don't wanna take, slamming other doors and feelings breaking me down. The feeling never lasts, I need to satiate the feeling that I had before.
To execute the color palette, the wall is a bluish gray, and then I have the accent color, which is the yellow and the nude tones that I have in the bouquet and the dried flowers. And then I have the same color as the wall as a decorative pillow, and then way over at the end of the bed I have the accent color that I chose, which is this mustard yellow, and I absolutely love this mustard yellow. I feel like it's such a beautiful warm color, but also you can have it like you can play with it in summer and spring as well. It's not a color that you can only have during fall and winter. And on my side of the bed I added a little white carpet just to make it a little bit more cozy and more warm, you know, because it's wood floors with a touch of carpet. It definitely adds that homey feeling, that bedroom cozy feeling. So I will leave you guys with footage of the final reveal, final result of the bedroom. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the final reveal.